Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to reset your Dell monitor to factory resets in 2026. So first of all, you need to make sure that your monitor has power and it is basically powered on. When you see this type of a screen, basically the active screen, or at least it should have the menu available. So when you see that, you just have to do nothing but to just simply press the menu button on the monitor. This is going to open the on-screen display, which is also called OSD, where all the settings are located. So when you see this type of settings available here, you just have to go to the other settings. Inside other settings, you will see a bunch of different options like language, menu, transparency, etc. So you just have to scroll down and keep on scrolling down until you find this factory reset option. When you're able to find it, you just have to select it, and then you just have to basically be shown a pop-up of confirmation. So you just have to press OK and confirm your device choice. After that, the monitor is going to restore to the default settings like the brightness, the contrast, and the input configuration will set to the default settings. So after the reset, you can adjust the display settings again as needed. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.